Well, guys, so here we are, and we got this car cover for the Subaru Justy, and it's so hard to find parts for this car for some reason. First, I have to go get the Honda Civic hatchback. Anything that's small enough for me to can fit the car, because the car is so tiny. I swear it's like only 143 inches. So this one is like, I think this one's 100, it's stretched out to 100, up to 173. So this is even longer, and this just came out of a Fit or Honda Civic hatchback. Fairly cheap, got it from Amazon, and I want to see how this thing fits. Hopefully it's about right or close enough. Yeah, so let's get that car covered. So it's kind of whack because it's all in the dirt right now, but it's better than having it outside and just having it all like covered with like snow and wet. So here she is, how she looks. I love this thing. Let me open this up, show you guys a little bit more. It's pretty clean, you know? It's like original seats too as well. It's still nice. Look at the back seat, beautiful, right? The interior is immaculate, man. Look at that. No cracks. Just a bit dusty, but it's all good. It's beautiful. I love this thing. Still got the original steering wheel. Look at that. Just beautiful, right? Loving this thing, loving it. And this is how she looks. Try to cover it a little bit, kind of fold it a little bit here. And she is good to go. So, yeah. It's covered. It's good. Good enough. Another day, guys. Good morning. Oh my gosh, another day. It's super cold outside. So today's gonna be a big day. It is gonna be literally big day. So I'm gonna be heading out to my homie's house. I'm ready for the day. Hopefully things goes well. I am trying to put something together for the workshop. I want to continue on and start doing the body work on the car, but also in between I want to get something that's a tool that's gonna support that. So I am gonna get a compressor today. I'm still debating whether if I should get a 60 gallon or 80 gallon. So I mean, if I'm gonna be painting my own car, I will need to get the 80 gallon. So, but we'll see prices up there. So, but we'll see what our budget goes. So, and hopefully things will go just fine. And so, yeah, well, it snowed last night, so it's pretty cold. But then again, it's nice and blue sky outside. It's coming out already, so that's really good for us. And hopefully things will go well. I'm gonna bring you guys with me to this journey today. So let's go, guys. Let's go for it. It's super nice today, man. I can't believe I checked the weather this morning. It was supposed to be like really like cloudy, but dude, this is like blue skies, super sunny. So that's great news, man. That's a good sign for me. So I think it's gonna be a really good day. It's gonna be a fun day today. So but anyways, I'm on my way to go pick up Alex. He's coming along with me, and it's gonna help me out to load this stuff and unload this stuff. So it's gonna be a heavy one. Hoping to get some more people to come through and to help us out here. It's gonna be a really heavy tool to get. So, but if worst comes to worst, we're just gonna have it to get it delivered to my place. So, but the goal is hoping that we don't need to get the pay for delivery expenses and all that. So we'll see how it goes. So let's stay tuned on that, guys. He's ready. What up, bro?
What's up?
It's crazy.
I'm called for a mission. So we're gonna fit the compressor.
Yeah, we're gonna try to fit it today. So yeah, it's
80
I don't know how we're gonna do it, but I'm
Yeah,
still
we can
debating though
have it.
whether if we should get like 60 gallon or 80 gallon. But we'll look at it. You know what I mean? We'll take a look at it.
Or you
So
can get, like,
so
just
220 gallon would be like 60 gallon, right?
tether
No, it'd be
all
40 gallon. Where's my math? But yeah, like Alex, go switch it. Switch the hose. Switch the hose. Switch the hose. Go to the 20 gallon now. All right, we're in here, guys. Oh my gosh, we're at Goodwill. Let's go. Tractor and supplies. That's where we're getting our shit. So we are gonna find somewhere to park, and we are going the wrong way. Swagging, bro. Swagging. It's over here. Ooh. But then again, I don't know if I should get the Watts 60 gal. I had a good review on this one, but then also this is a must, man. This is my original plan right here. Fuck.
This one? You want this?
What do you think, man?
This is 60 gallons, bro.
I know, right? It's
Might as well
like,
get
brother.
like 4 20 gallons.
Bro, just gotta add it up. What's wrong with that? Don't, hey man, just buy like 3 of these, bro. That's it.
As a whole, it's not gonna work.
Oh, shit.
It's gonna leak all the air out.
Shit, y'all know we were like pros up in here, man. Hey, shit, man, I brought you here for advice, bro.
I already saw a flaw, bro.
He's trying to convince me to get the 80 gallon. Oh man, this is a dream though.
And then you return to 60 gallons. And you say, hey, Alex, can you help me?
All right, so what do you think, man? We'll just go ahead and get this one. Bro, I don't even know how we're gonna fit that in here, bro. Oh my god. Well, you did brought the straps and shit, man. Are those like what, 5,000, 12,000, bro? Shit, good enough. Dude, let's see, man. Just have it delivered.
Just have it delivered, bro.
Say it again.
I'll let you get somebody with a truck.
I don't know. I don't know. Yo! Did you call him, bro? Did you call this guy, man? That's my boy Gary coming out today, bro. Thanks, dude, for coming through. This is his new Honda Acty right here, if y'all don't know. This is the K-Truck, considering as a K-Truck in Japan. It is a right-hand drive, super sick, and he saves the day today. Let's go! I don't know, should I buy the extended warranty, bro?
No, fuck that. Hell no.
Don't need it.
Yeah. Pay me $240 and I'll fix it.
Shoot. Dude, that's a lot of boba.
It's a lot of bubble.
Yeah. What else can we buy with that shit?
You can buy a
Bowl of noodle.
noodle.
That's a lot of Hot Wheels.
Oh, Hot Wheels.
Yeah. Yeah.
Damn it.
Yeah, let's go. No, I will check that out yesterday already. I was here yesterday. Hey, bro. Yep. I got them all.
I know.
So,
You don't
no.
even leave any for me. Fran just wipes out all the whole fucking thing.
Yeah, about
Like,
like 5 of them. The same ones.
you're like, I got 10 Liberty Walks.
We all do body work.
It's on the way.
A service protection plan if you're interested.
How much was it again?
This one is,
It's 240 bucks.
yeah.
Dang.
She got 3 bags of chicken scratch and 2 bags of grains. We got 3 bags of chicken crumble and 2 bags of chicken scratch.
I thought you said my warranty comes
I'm
with the
sorry.
chicken bags and then what? I'm like chicken wings. Hold on here, that's a deal right there. I love chicken, bro. This is some kind of mission we're going on here. Yes, guys, we have the Honda Acty doing some action today. I don't know, man. This is like about like 5 feet. Yeah. No, 4.5 feet. More like 4, right? 4 feet. Dang. That's crazy. Oh! Oh! Oh my god. Coming with some action here. Honda action. Oh, look at that.
Tucking.
This is like
So
the
fun.
nice.
It's tucking, bro. It's tucking.
This is better than the Chevy Bel Air.
Get one of this K truck, guys. I'm jealous. Well, guys, I have purchased the big thing, so I think it's gonna be a lot more fun once we get all installed. Hopefully, it doesn't break down on us within 1 week. So we'll see how it goes. We got a lot of cars to build with this damn thing, so hopefully it will be just right. Yes, please. Try to get as center as we can. I'll let you know when. Oh. Let's keep going. made it to the shop. The headquarters here. Yes, we got it. We made it, bro.
Katie did it.
Woo! Katie did it, man. Oh my gosh, bro.
I believe in Katie.
Like with the wind going. and
Yeah.
I was like,
What a best
man,
way to
we'll
do
be
it, right?
alright. Yeah.
Like, it'll be all right. We're crazy, man, but dude, it's here. Thanks, Gary. It'll pay off. Damn, dude, this is sick. Now it's all about just dragging here now.
And bro, put a tarp.
Yeah.
I mean, we managed.
Yeah, we managed that. Thanks, bro. Thanks, Gary. Thanks, Alex. I had to catch my breath, bro. It's so We all do.
It was like crushing my chest. So.
Yeah.
See,
The
guys,
aftermath.
You don't have a when you don't have a forklift.
Yep.
All you need is 2 chairs.
Improvise, bro.
And that.
There you go.
And
Yeah.
3 muscly men.
Thank you so much, Katie. You've been so good to us today. Definitely help us out. Oh, it looks so good right here, right now. Shout out to Gary. Thank you so much, bro. Bringing your Katie Honda Acty did a lot for us today. Although it was a little too sketchy about getting it down, but we got it down. We managed it. We got it. We got it. And she is ready. She's right there. Oh my gosh. Thanks you guys, man. Appreciate it. Appreciate it. Now let's go get something to eat, man.
Oh yeah, chow down.
Let's go.